What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a pretty long time since we filmed anything, but today we got a special treat for you guys. And then we got the GMC in the back just chopping away. Go check it out. Starting to use the truck a little bit more now that I have all the interior back in her. She just is a little dusty, you know. Got my old original seats back in, carpets in. It's actually really nice, in my opinion. But enough of that. Talk about her another day. All right, let's shut her down and then we'll get started with the video. So on today's video, we have my 2018 Mustang GT. And we have also right here a new ported manifold from Chewy 454. He sent me this for Christmas, and we're already in February. So Chewy, I'm sorry that I've been slacking, but today we're gonna get this installed on the GT. Oh, that's the... What the hell happened to you? Okay, now that the camera's not wigging out, we'll get started on this. Just throwing it off. Alright, well, this looks fun. Okay guys, so here we have a 2018 GT manifold ported by Chewy 454. I'm gonna put all his info down below. And let me show you guys pretty much what porting is for a better, so you guys can get a better idea of what he did. As you can see, they just make the hole a little bigger. So like this was just a hair smaller. They poured it, cleaned it up, just to try to get the smoothest amount of air to go in and out. But enough talk about that. You guys roughly know what porting is now. Chewy did send me the ported throttle body already. So that one we've already had on the car for a long time. And when I installed it, I did notice the throttle was a little more snappier. So hopefully with the intake, we can pick up nothing crazy. It's not going to be a big difference, but it's going to pick up a little bit of power. All right, so I'm going to get started on this. I'm not really looking too forward to it just because if you look, it looks like a mess. It's not that bad, but I'm just being lazy. It's a Sunday. Try to get this video out for you guys tonight, and drop some comments down below, guys. I mean, it's been a minute. The Sierra's up and running good. The GT's gonna have this. What do you guys want to see? So let me get started on this. All right, guys. How's the mic? Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? Where's the mic at? Mic check, mic check. How I kind of missed wrenching on cars. Heard a bike. All right, guys, so I got the intake manifold out, and it wasn't too bad, but it was a kind of a pain towards the back. That clip and that clip broke, and it's fine. The only one that's real pain to get to is this one, but you kind of have to wiggle out the manifold out, and the next time it goes in, it's not going to be that bad, because literally all I got to do is plug in this while it's kind of in here, then these two go on the top, and that's it. So a little pro tip, just to help you guys if any of you guys are doing maybe this type of install. If you have something like this, I don't know if I've let it focus. This little, I wouldn't say wire wheel. I can't think of the name of it, but you guys can see what it looks like. This will clean off any debris, and then you can just put it to any of your electric drills. It'll clean off all the debris from right there. Like if it's just real oily, like gunky, you can clean the surface so you get a nice good seal when you put it back together. And you can also get some brake clean, and don't spray it into the cylinder. Into the intake. Just spray it on a rag and wipe it down. And the vacuum, that will help you out also. That'll help you out also just to get all the dirt and debris out so it doesn't go into the cylinder or anything like that. But just a little tip. I guess a 7 does not fit there. It is an 8 Ocho. Alrighty guys, here is our ported throttle body. I don't think he touches up on the back, but we'll get this cleaned up, throw some brake clean on it, and get it reinstalled. You guys didn't see that. At least pretend like you didn't see it. Alright guys, this might be kind of dumb, but I'm so excited to finally use these snap-on pliers. I can't remember what the hell they're called. Not pliers, but I think they're needle noses. But I've bought them such a long time ago and I never got to use them. Now, let me see right here. Yes. Oh shit. I'm pretty impatient and I'm pretty spoiled with these impacts now. And I'm also learned how to be super careful with them because I've broken a lot of bolts this way. A few ugga-duggas. And we are good to go. Take a look. Everything looks real good. I had the battery unplugged. Remember to always unplug your battery. Should have told you guys when we started. But this happened to me on the F-150 when I did the intake manifold swap also. And it's very subtle and easy to miss if you're not paying attention. But when I was putting on this, I forgot that I left the throttle body unplugged. So it will kick a bunch of codes and your car won't run good. So make sure you guys don't forget to plug that in. All right, guys, so we're all done. The battery's plugged in, everything's good. I'm gonna start the car. Notice the license plate? Even though YouTube doesn't pay. I mean, they pay okay. They pay enough to make the phone bill. Then we got the GMC chilling. Let's give you guys a rev. Alright guys, so that is going to end today's video. Remember to hit that like, drop a comment, and let me know what you guys think of it. Catch you on the next one.